Welcome to Cyber Theo. Today, let's learn how to use Google Keep for grocery lists. Open Google Keep. Launch the Google Keep app on your device or visit the website. Sign in with your Google account if prompted. Create a new list. Tap the plus button at the bottom right corner, then select List. Title your list, Grocery List. Add items to your list. Begin typing items in the list. Press Enter after each item to add it to the list. Organize and categorize items. Use drag and drop to reorder items or categorize them by sections, e.g., produce, dairy, etc. Share your list. Tap the three dots in the upper right and select Collaborator. Enter the email addresses of those you want to share the list with, and they'll be able to view and edit it. And that's how you use Google Keep to organize your grocery lists. Happy shopping! Check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber Theo.